How to reset Snapchat My Eyes Only password. First, open the Snapchat. Make sure you're logged in to your account. Tap on the option Memories that you can see on the screen. You can see various options over here. Tap on the option My Eyes Only. You'll be prompted to enter the password. Tap on this option for options that you can see on the screen. Tap on the option Change Passcode. Enter the passcode over here. Now you can create the passcode for yourself. Enter the new passcode. Confirm the passcode. Now you can see your new passcode over here. Check on this option. You're basically agreeing to this term mentioned over here. Tap on the option Continue. Now tap on the option Finish. Now your passcode has been changed. Like this, you'll be able to reset Snapchat My Eyes Only password. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.